she's like that, it's going. Don't know.
Let's put the tobacco maker.
You sure something stuck out your body?
Firework podcast.
And then the whole kitchen goes up in flames.
Oh.
That was cool.
Oh, shit.
I was expecting to go all the way down to the cake and
I'll show you all how to bicker at each other.
It's Eleanor that was doing it.
She kept turning off.
It was actually Eleanor that was doing it.
Can I
She
put that
kind
on
of ruined it a
YouTube?
little bit, really.
Can I put that on YouTube? Right now.
Right, come on, happy birthday then.
Perhaps we can cut the sound off.
Choose
Right.
one that's not complete, like 2 seconds long.
Happy birthday to you.
I've got to film doing this. Hang on,
Happy
Wait a minute.
birthday.
Wait. Hang on.
What?
Hang on. I want to record it.
Film
David
that.
Bailey's back
I had the whole Year 9 girls.
Go on then.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Not going to explode.
Go on then. Blow it out then.
Explode
No.
with it.
Go on then.
Wait, I need to think of a wish first.
Quick.
He's already married.
Come on then.
Shut up! I bet that's what she was thinking as well.
Oh.
He's not married, by the way, so you're kind of thick.
He's just going to cut the cake then. She's going to cut the cake.
For me to do it. Hang on a minute, I need to wipe this water up first. There's
Dad
water
said I could be a
everywhere.
member on Club Penguin.
Let's get rid of this water.
Because he was... I chose that chocolate for you, by the way.
Huh?
I chose that for you.
Did you?
Yeah.
Right, what does it say about this here sparkler thingy?
Just take it out.
No, just leave it there
Is it
until it cools
hot?
down properly. Yes, very hot, I would think.
I know.
Yeah, leave it. It says it remains hot after use. Just leave it where it is.
No, it's okay, I can do it.
Just
without
leave
you
it.
touching
It says leave it. It's what it tells you to do.
What are you supposed to do now?
Tells you it's hot, leave it alone.
Can you touch it with something else?
No, just leave it.
Will it blow it
You
up?
don't need to touch it. Just leave it alone.
Definitely get some metal salad tools so you can just go ding.
Can you get the knife, please?
Oh yeah, so hot.
It's actually alright. It's not too bad at all. I wasn't going to let you test it out, though.
I wasn't going to, I'm not stupid.
Oh, the kitchen's full of smoke.
Fire
Smells like
alarm.
bonfires out here.
Fire alarm. What are these?